Hello, how's it going? Alright guys, we are live. Just gonna go ahead and get this going here. Alright, let's get into it. How's everyone doing today? What have we all been looking at? NQ, man, what a dump this morning. Man. Wish I was around for this trade right here. Definitely would have taken that. Although I don't know if it would have gotten the target. Would have gotten real close. Probably would have hit my stop here though, so I would have barely missed it. Maybe got trailed out. Would have just hit, but let's see if we can get something like this up here and then turn back around. Maybe try another short, something like that. Let's see ES. ES, similar story right now. Let's look at oil. 1 second. There we go. There's my mic. Oil. Well, we're above oil. We're above on oil. This could be fun right now. Who wants to take an oil trade? So entry would actually be here. Stop here. Target up in there. Let me see what this would be. So if I was going to do this trade. Yeah, I could risk one. Hold on. Let me make sure my... 1 second, guys. I'm going to make sure my trade evate's all ready to go. Trade evade. I want to turn on copy trading here. Access. Let's make a group. Hold on, guys. Working on it. Working on it. All right. Got that going. All right. I'm going to go group. And then, oh, I'm already on CL. Hold on. CL. CLZ4.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Let's try this. Now, if I would have gotten filled back here, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my stop would actually already be right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in a stop there at 69.12. So let me do that. CL, sell, 3, stop, 69.12. All right, I'm going to throw that order in. Perfect. Here we go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. What just happened? Hold on. Market sell.
Order filled.
I'm out. I don't know what just happened, but that was the quickest win ever. Holy cow. Is there just news right now? Wow. Whoever was on the live with me. Wow, I should have stayed in. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Did anyone take that trade with me? What is going on? Bro. I should have left that open. That would have been 4 Rs. Whoa. Does anyone know what's going on with oil? Because all right, fastest live stream win ever. Yo, I should have left that open. Oh my gosh. I wonder what's going to happen on this candle now. Did anyone take that trade with me? That was crazy. We were in that for like less than a minute. Whoa. Okay, well, there's my results. That was just pure luck. I'm going to be honest with you. That was crazy. Okay. Well, hold on. Did the whole market just react like that? Just oil did? How about platinum? Okay. That's crazy. Who was watching that? All right. Oh man, I wish I would have left the runner open. I didn't even have runners. I was just in one. That would have been really funny if I just like passed an account like that. I was risking 250. If I had left it open until now, I maybe could have passed the account. Oh my gosh, it's still running. Okay. I have no idea what happened, Giselle. That was very uncommon. That could have gone badly the other way. Like, if this had done that and my stop wasn't on, guys, this is why you should always put on a stop, like, prior. Okay. Well. Looks like oil prices are going to be higher tomorrow at the pump. Looks like your gas is going to be more expensive tomorrow. All right, guys, let's talk about what have you all been looking at today? Okay, so someone just said I had 9 losses in a row. How do I overcome this? Was it all using the same strategy or different strategies? Talk to me. Ten EMA. Okay. Were you going different directions, or did you lose 9 times in a row in one direction? Also, what time of day? Was it all during the same time of day, or I want to get to the bottom of this. Also, what time frame? Different directions. All after market open. 3 minute. Okay. And what ticker? Was it NQ? Yes. NQ. Okay. Well, I want to back trade this with you because I'm actually curious. So let's go back to. I didn't trade this week really because I was out of town, but let's go back to Monday and let's see if in fact there was that many losses in a row. I'm just going to do NQ for now. I know you were trading all 3, but So market opens here on Monday. We don't trade the first hour. 10:30 rolls around. Okay. But the first 10 EMA was back here. I don't really like to time travel, but let's just say you did. Let's just say at 10:30 you got in and you took this trade right here. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your stop would have been here. And then it rolls over and stops you out. So yes, right there, you probably lost 0.7 R. Then it comes down, and you could have taken that, but that's not technically a 10 EMA, right? It did close on the other side of the 10. So your next setup would have been here. And sure enough, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is a similar scenario. You would have gotten stopped probably around there. So on the day, you're down 1.4 R. Okay. So far this is checking out. not great conditions to trade. Now, Tuesday, 10:30 rolls around. First 10 EMAs back here, so you can't do anything. You get the reset right there. So your next entry would have been, let's see here, like right there. And your stop could have been here. So on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your stop goes up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop goes up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close. And yeah, you come down, you get wicked out. So right there, minus 0.5 R. You get the reset right here. You're allowed to try again. Probably would put my stop there. Target there. Now on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would have been a winner. Because your stop would have only probably been right there or right there by the time it hit. So this is plus 1.3 R. Okay, so far, you're down 1.4 here on the week. You're down 1.9. You won 1.3. So you're up 0.6 going into Tuesday. Or I'm sorry, into Wednesday. So Wednesday rolls around. I'm just showing you how I would have done it. I know you probably traded it different, but 9:30, 10:30 rolls around. Now, like I said, I don't like to time travel. Also, I would not have taken that many green candles in a row and then a red candle over the 10. I would skip that. Comes down. It's up to you if you want to take a break like this over the red line. If you did, you would have lost here. Personally, I probably would not have taken that trade, but let's just say you did, you didn't. That would have been a loss. Here you would have tried. That would have been a loss. So this is probably a negative 2 R day, depending on how you played it. So now you're down 2.6 on the week. And then today, don't trade the first hour. And you're going to take something like this. But you're probably going to take that right there. Stop here. Barely misses target. But I think on this, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, depending on how long you held here, this was either like a 0.2 R win or a 1.3. So, yeah, I agree with you, bro. Pretty shitty week to trade. unless you just took the oil trade. But I think the point I want to get at here is that like you would have lost 2 in a row here. That's 3 in a row, but you would have broken the streak here. Then you lost 1. Then maybe you won a small win here. So I don't think it should have been 9 in a row. So the only thing I can tell you is stick to one ticker and just do it over and over and over. There really shouldn't be 9 in a row, though. If there's 9 in a row, that means market's literally doing this all week. I have experienced like 3 in a row, 4 in a row, but yeah. Do I even want to look at oil? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I don't know what just happened, but that's nuts. I'll be honest. I don't trade gold. I feel like gold's really hard to trade. Here's the other thing too, bro. If I have 2 losing days in a row, usually I just like take a couple days off. Because it's true. Sometimes the market is just not giving you the conditions that are good for your strategy. If you're losing 2, 3 days in a row, just take a break for a week or 2. Hey man, some people are great at gold. Some people are great at platinum, crude. I usually suck at crude. That was crazy that just happened. Like literally. I hopped in platinum today around here for a swing trade. My target's 114-ish. So we'll see if we can get up there. And in a real account too. So if it gets up here, I'll make $1,000 real money. Been experimenting with platinum a lot. I was doing this thing for a while where I was going to like anytime it went overbought on the 2 hour and then we got a Momo signal, I'd get in, but I got screwed on it a couple times this week. We went overbought, sell signal stopped. We went overbought again, sell signal stopped. So now what I'm doing, and actually I can't take all the credit for this. I learned this from a friend, Tori. What she does is she draws like bigger trend lines. So like, for example, like that's her trend line, right? That's a trend line that she has drawn. That's probably a trend line she has drawn. And she will only take a trade when we get close to those trend lines. So now that I have those drawn, I'll go back here into like the 2 hour. So technically, you see how this time it got overbought. That would have been the one to jump in. So I missed this, but what I'm doing is sort of the opposite right now. And I'm drawing this and I'm like, okay, well, we got oversold here. And you know, as long as we're within like 10 points of the trend line, I'll try along. So usually what I'll do is like, I'll put one on there and then I'll put one more contract right on the trend line and then stop is like right here. So that's what I'm doing. Just hoping we get a bounce kind of back up into this neckline here. That's what I'm doing. And an even bigger trend line that I can look at on platinum would be that guy right there. So if we do this and then we get oversold here, that's another long I might try. If I'm only going to stick to one, I suggest ES. Oh my gosh. Look at ES today. Ugh. SPY. SPY's looking gross. But guys, I'm not really surprised because what's today? October 31st. Let's just go back real quick to 2020. 2020 election. Where is it? Okay. October. Well, around that area, right? So right before the election, I'm looking at this. We had a dump in the market. And then I don't forget exactly what day voting was. It was probably somewhere around here, but then we pumped. So I'm kind of expecting the same thing this time around. Like, especially with us being this high, a lot of people are taking risk off before this election. So I wouldn't be surprised if we chop down and then, oof, look where I drew that to. That was perfect. I would love to take a long right there. That would be fun. Something kind of like that. So you got support right here, right? That's clear support. Like that level. So maybe start getting into some longs here, more here. That would be fun. And if you really want to be safe, you could start it at the 100 and bring it all the way down to the 200. But I don't. That'd be a big drop. For SPY to do that, I mean, from the high to there, I mean, we're talking about an 8% drop isn't that much on SPY, to be honest. I mean, that is substantial. Usually, it's more common to see like 5% pullbacks and then pops, but you know, it happens. I mean, remember this one back here, 10%, but we're talking about another drop like that. So I hope that helped you, bro. I would stick to ES and maybe just steer clear during the election. I don't know. It has been tough lately. I was on fire. I was like, had the opposite. I was like on a 10 trade winning streak a couple weeks ago. And then I had one bad day, broke my rules a little bit, got on tilt, and boom, the account was gone. So like, you just got to really check in with yourself and be, okay, is the market in good conditions right now? Am I in a good condition? And kind of go from there, you know? Hold on, I want to do some analysis. That's going to happen, man. We all go through like bad seasons. A lot of people are having bad months. October's been tough. September, if you were a bear, was great. October's been good, but like choppy. I don't know. It's weird. Let's see here. What else should we cover, guys? Who's reporting today? Oh, man. Apple? Apple's going to be interesting. Apple. Apple. SPY? Yeah. I mean, it can sell off into the close for sure. It's bloody out there today. Look at NVIDIA. Man, Microsoft got clapped. That is not a stock I want to be long on right now. A gap below the 200 and it just continued to fade. It's crazy. Ooh. Man. Yeah. I'm going to chill today. I'm not really going to buy anything today, I don't think. Not before Apple earnings. Okay. Let's take a look at man, everything is dropping today. What's the news? I don't know. I think it's just people getting spooked about Halloween and I'm kidding. And the election. This election's about to be a shit show. I hope you all know that. Hold on, guys. I'm going to use the restroom. Just give me 2 seconds, okay? Pull up some tickers you want me to go over. All right. I know that we have new election trading. That is something new. I want to know more about that. I mean, election trading is just usually really volatile. You know, like everyone doesn't know what's going to happen. I mean, this time around too, like, there's a whole group of people that think the last election was rigged. So there's like not just a few people, like a lot of people think that. So a lot of people are like getting in, getting out, like, oh, I don't want to be in during that time. Like, you know, the polls are always changing. Like, it's just crazy. You know what I mean? So if you're going to trade, just understand that it's going to be a little wild, you know? It just is. Man. Yeah, I'm going to sit on my hands until tomorrow. Amazon and Apple are going to be huge. What else? Costco off the 100-day. That probably would have been an easy day trade. I mean, when was the last time we touched the blue line? Actually touched it. We didn't touch it here, touch it here. We touched it back there. Pretty choppy, though. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's a pretty expensive stock to day trade, too. Well, I was planning on hanging out here a little longer, but I got this win so fast. Look at that. I hope you guys know that was just like complete luck, right? Like, like I literally got in on this candle. And it was like retesting for a second and I got filled and it was just like, that was crazy. Anyways, guys, I'm going to jump back up on here tomorrow, but yeah, good trading day. You know, enjoy your Halloweens tonight. Go have some fun. Don't drink too much. Be responsible. Watch out for creeps. And yeah, look at the VIX. The VIX is waking up, guys. She's waking up. People are putting... So do you guys know what the VIX is exactly? It's the overall market put to call ratio. So when more puts are getting purchased, VIX will go up. And that's why they say it's because when more puts are getting purchased, that means people are more fearful. That's why they call it like the fear index. So yeah, I mean, we're in it. And some people literally, this is crazy. Some people literally, their whole strategy is they're just like, well, when VIX gets, you know, near overbought, near it, right? So like here or here, somewhere in here, maybe like RSI 60, that's when they start getting long. Because usually VIX does come back down. And when you're in a bear market, you see like a lot more spikes like this. Like that was 2022. But I mean, I don't know. Things are uncertain. You can kind of tell here. Anyways, guys, I hope you had fun today. I got to hop off. I got a busy day. I'm going to a haunted house tonight, but thank you all for coming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you know what time I'm going to jump on. I'll just post it in the chat.